So happy with what you and thank you. It's like the first time to watch. Finally, we got to Siargao.
Yeah.
You put a lot.
Yeah. It's already the maximum. Oh,
7 kilogram.
no, I bought the excess luggage, but it's so hard being a girl. What to do? What happened? Kaya dito na lang sa cabinet outside. Yeah.
You open it again.
Yeah. I will leave this.
Oh,
Wait, can you help me please?
okay.
Put this inside the paper bag.
Let's go.
My bag is so heavy.
Charmaine Pamplona,
Yeah.
you go alone? Huh? You go alone?
Oh!
You go alone?
See what you did. I'm so sleepy. And I got no time to shower my hair.
Yeah, I smell that. So good.
Oh, I'm asking the driver
Right.
now.
What did you figure out?
I just check in right now and I noticed we're one seat apart. You're in 3B
Yeah.
and I'm in 3D. We need the personal time, so
Yeah, let's take a personal time
we think
for
about it on.
for 2 hours.
Don't make them far away, just one seat away, like that.
I watched the YouTube like the Filipina never get the makeup at the public place.
No, they do it in the car.
You're not Filipino, you're Charmaine Pamplona.
This is from upstate. Because someone commented on your video, right?
Yeah.
They asking for my heels. Maybe they will ask for my powder, so it's from upstate. Yeah. Maybe they will think that my name is
Holy.
Nolia. My face is so bad.
Did you cry yesterday?
Yeah, can you see that?
Why?
Because I'm so sad.
For what?
Because you're mad at me.
Who? Your boyfriend? Your boyfriend is so bad, right?
Yeah. We're at the airport again. But this time we're leaving together, right? Yeah.
5.3 and my one. You almost 15 kilogram, right?
So,
You got just 7 kilogram basically, right?
yeah.
Then-
That's why I bought the extra luggage.
Yeah. Hey, babe, is it about 7 kilogram, right?
Yeah.
Never. You got too much things in your
Yeah.
bag.
And I also brought my laptop. I still have to work.
15 kilogram.
Yeah.
Like your calories. No.
I always do
Ooh.
that.
Smell that by yourself.
cannot smell anything. You're just over it.
Your nose getting longer. For here in Philippines, you wear long sleeve here. 9 years kid wearing her father's long sleeve.
Yeah, it's the vibe. You're
Okay.
trying to make me look like a real baby.
See that? How good you are. Eva, people so lucky, right? And no sit.
How about this? So I'm just working from home today.
Your vacation is not starting, right?
Yeah. We'll start tomorrow. Boarding now. Weather is so good.
How long does it
They're announcing our names.
We're late.
Yeah, I didn't hear. They called the
Information. Please call your cabin crew.
Have a good sleep.
I just slept for 30 minutes. You slept well, I saw you.
An hour.
Oh. It's my first time to do the connecting flight, so I don't know.
You don't know
Anyway,
meaningful. We don't know, right?
Yeah.
What should we do?
Take left side, right?
Did you figure it out?
Yeah. See what can.
We can watch on the display, right? In this time.
Yeah. Manila.
Sit over here.
ABC toward gate 26B. Please
Oh.
be airlines. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Welcome to.
Well, 7 to Siargao, we can sit together, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we cannot have personal time
Yeah.
in this time.
They want to have personal time in Siargao.
Just a little bit. You want to travel 7 too?
Yeah.
Me too.
Okay, next time.
When?
On your birthday.
My birthday? August?
생일 축하합니다. I was looking for you.
It's like a black hole.
Welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Bus going to the plane.
What?
How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling so good because I slept for 2 hours at the plane.
Yeah, you're sleeping like this.
It's like
Okay, see you in Siargao. Bye.
it's like the first time to watch the plane in front of the plane, right? So good. Let's go.
It's our last flight.
It's not last. Don't say that like that.
What? Last flight going to
But
Siargao.
I don't like the last.
Okay.
Slept?
No, like that.
No, everybody watching it.
It's our first flight together.
You were so sad.
I was.
You was crying.
Mhm.
Sorry about it. I'm
Why?
very sorry about it.
We're so tired right now. Like we slept for
What?
2 hours, 3 hours, like that.
the entire subco team headed by our flight and crew captain Dizon and first.
Welcome to Siargao. We are in Siargao.
Welcome to Siargao. Have to take the van going to our villa. I'm not sure how many hours. There's a lot of vans here. Dyan? Okay.
We take the car for 14 minutes.
Hi, good afternoon.
Welcome drinks, sir. Do you want the biscuit na?
Thank you. Drinks and biscuits too. Cheers. Oh, nice.
Cheers.
How many chocolate biscuits did you eat?
Sir, how are you to cook? This one is a free duck from Aranja Luna. It starts for this one 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Then you have souvenir shop here. So your room is at the third floor, that building. First floor, our table tennis. This one is a free, ma'am sir. Open 7:10 p.m. also. We have gym, billiards. Open 7:10 p.m. That's a free also. And sit ahead over there, our pool and the restaurant. That's your breakfast in our restaurant. The restaurant, your breakfast there by 6 to 10 a.m. And also we have serve. We can serve. And
Peace.
step here and
Yeah.
take care for the ice.
Okay.
Please, welcome. This is 304.
Let's go. Is it right way to go? For real?
You just have to check. I just check the one and go back.
Yeah. No light here.